Hello, everybody. Good evening. How are we doing? We can enable our video cameras now and our audios. Let's get started. If you can hear me, just say hello. Can we hear me? If you can hear me, let me hear you say hello. Yes. I just want us to be at least five, two more persons to join us. Then we commence our class. I'm going to be showing us an introductory class where we're going to be having an in-depth knowledge on graphics. We're going to be doing in-depth knowledge of graphics. Yes, hope everybody can see the screen. Can we see the screen? Hello? Can we hear me? Can we hear me? I'm going to be introducing us to graphics with respect to CorelDRAW. Now, for us that don't have an idea about what CorelDRAW looks like, this is a CorelDRAW environment. Are we getting it now? This is a CorelDRAW environment. I want us to actively participate. This is a CorelDRAW environment. You can see we have the toolbar by the left side here. You can see where my cursor is. We have the toolbar there. Um, if you look at this area, this highlighted area, you see we have, these are the toolbars. It's called the toolbars. And if you look at this menu, I call the command bars, where we have our file menu and the likes. Are you getting it now? It's called the command bars. So now we're going to be delving in properly into graphics design. Now this space you see is called our workspace. Are you getting it now? Now this is where every design you make, you're going to be placing it for you to be able to what, export it to either image format, PDF format, or whichever format you want to render your design into. Are you getting it now? So before I go further, I am by name Francis Adegbe. I'm a tech engineer, a developer, a data analyst, a cyber security expert, and I'm also a trainer. I wanted to use this opportunity to make sure I utilize and help many Nigerians that are having boredom issues to get over it. This is the best time to learn something new. This is the best time to learn something new. And as such, we're going to be using it very well. So graphics, what is graphic? Graphics is turning text ideas, turning head ideas into representation, either in shape, text, or combination of both. Now, I will quickly show us a brief. Now, this is what graphics is all about. This is what graphics is all about. Google, you can see the Google logo, the Coca-Cola logo, you have the Apple logo, the Facebook logo, the Twitter logo, Instagram logo, WhatsApp logo. These are all graphics. And we cannot dodge away from graphics. Graphics is an everyday thing. You can see the bank's logo. We have the Keystone, the First Bank, UBA, Fidelity, FCMB, Diamond, GT, and we have our BBC News. Now, I want to shock us with something very, very amazing. Do you know that this logo, this thing you are seeing, BBC News, was rebranded for the cost of $1.8 million. I can imagine how surprising that would be. But I will challenge us to go to our Google and type this cost for BBC logo. You will see it. This is a fact. Are you getting it? This is a fact. It's not something, it's not a head knowledge. This thing you are seeing cost $1.8 million. Now that is to tell you the relevance of graphics when it comes to our everyday life. All of these things can be done. In fact, before the end of this 7 days class, you should be able to design all of these things you are saying. I will teach you the professional tips, what you need to know, and how you need to know them. Okay, so I'll move to the next one. You can see logos. You can see logos like
Hmm? Hmm. Was just advising.
hello.
No. About this thing. All this life.
Okay, so I just want us to observe. Okay, now these are other logos. Now, if you take a closer look, you see this is Dangote logo. I'm going to be teaching us how to be able to create exactly this logo. Are you getting it? This is the Nigerian Football Federation. We'll be creating that logo too. Now, these are our network providers. We'll be creating these logos too. So before we commence, what do you need to know or have for you to be able to be a successful graphic designer? First thing you must know is you must have someone who mentors you, someone who you can share your challenges in graphics with and can respond to you in real time. Like, okay, you are designing something and you're having a challenge trying to implement a particular design or particular format. You call, you send messages. Oh, sir, ma, I'm designing this and I'm having this challenge. What do I do? Are you getting it? That's the first thing. Second thing, you need a laptop, you need good internet connection, and you also need CorelDRAW installed. CorelDRAW installed. This is an introductory class, so I'm not going to be delving too deep. I'm just going to be showing us what we need to have to set up what we need to have to set up. Now, the third one is these are flyers. You can see them professionally done flyers. You can see them. These are professionally done flyers. We are going to be designing this also. I will teach us how to do them. Are you getting it now? So that is that. You need a laptop. You need an external mouse because as a graphic designer, you don't use your touchpad mouse to design. You will never be very fluent with designing. In fact, before you make a design, I would have made that same design in 5 places when I'm using my external mouse. Okay, now that is that. So also additional, I'm going to be giving us links. I'm going to be showing us the website where we can download our CorelDRAW software. Are you getting it now? Just observe the screen. I'm going to be showing us the website where we can download. Now, this website is called getintopc.com. Okay, this is the website, getintopc.com. Now, once you come there, just type Corel X7 in the search bar here. Click on go. It loads it up. Okay, we have 18 search results. Now you scroll down, you go to the Corel Graphics suite, not the technical suite, Corel Graphics suite. Just click on this, it automatically starts downloading and it is licensed. Are we getting it now? For those that don't have Corel Draw, now that is settled. Okay, so we are going to be quickly, we'll make our first design. I'll introduce us on how to go about it. One of the simplest designs ever I've seen is the word Google logo. Now, I'm going to be bringing the Google logo out. You can see it's an image. I'll be placing it like this side by side. And we're going to be making what? Replica of this. So first thing first, this is, I will explain the text. This is our pick tool, we have our shape tool, we have our crop tool, our zoom tool, our pen tool, our brushes, artistic media tool, where we can have our brush. You can see them. We have our rectangle tool, we have our ellipse tool, circle tool, we have our shape tool, polygon tool, text tool. Then we have our Bezier, we have parallelogram tool, where we can select our Bezier tool from. We have a straight line connector tool, we have a shadow tool, we have our transparency, we have a color eyedropper where we use to pick colors to get exactly. Then we have our interactive fill, and we have our what, our smart fill. Now these are the tools that you're going to be using to design from A to Z. So to start with now, Google is just a text logo. Are you getting it? You just pick your text, come here, click on your text, click here. You see it starts blinking. You can also increase it if you so desire. Then you type. The first letter is G, which is the capital letter G. Then we have OOGLE. Now, once you are done typing, come here and click on your pick tool. You will see these points around what you've typed. Are you getting it now? You see these points around what you've typed. Then click on the one of the edges. On no account should you stretch out any text or image from this side, or this side, or even this side. You pick from the edge, either here, 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 or here. Are you getting it? In order not to turn your shape or text into bread. Okay, so you click on one of the sides and you drag what out. Click, hold, and you drag out. Just like that. Once it suits what you want, you allow it. Are you getting it now? You drag out. So now we've gotten our what? Our Google representation. So now what is left is what? Our color. So to get our exact color, you are going to click on this the text you've created. Then you press your on your keyboard. You press Control, hold it. Then you press your K, alphabet K, Control K. Now this is a break function. It breaks your text into individual images. It breaks your text into individual. You can see now we are having only the G, the G is selected. So what we'll do now is, now we need to get this color exactly here. How do we do then we know that it's exactly color? That is where your color eyedropper tool comes to play. You click on your color eyedropper tool, then you just click on this. You see it already picked the color. Then you come on your G, then you click on your G. You can see that we've had that color there. Are you getting it? Then you click on your pick tool, then you click on this again. You pick this color, you drop it here. You also drop it here. You can see. Then you come to your pick tool, click on your G. You know we already have the color, so it's down here. Then you come on your O again, take your color eyedropper, pick on it, then you click on it. You can see it's making sense, right? You can see it's making a whole lot of sense. Are you getting it now? Then the last color is left with green. Go to your pick tool, pick your color eyedropper again, come on here, pick your color and pick your color. At least for a first timer, you should be happy with yourself that yes, you are able to what, to design what, the Google logo. You can see what I just did now. I will undo. What I did was, now they are individuals. So to make selection for all, you click and drag your mouse all over all of them. Then you come here, you make it what, bold, and it looks like this. Then we have our first logo design for Google. But there is something I want us to also notice. As a graphic designer that you're going to be in a couple of days, you need to pay attention to details. What I mean by details is look at this and look at this. Are they exactly the same? You should be able to know how to criticize it. Criticism, constructive criticism should be one of your key points. So for a start, I wouldn't want us to do much. Now this E, the last E is what? It's tilted. Then you come here, you click on your last E like that. Now just click on it once, then come to the middle, click on it again. You see these curve arrows around it. Then click on and hold on one of the edges and what? Tilt it a little bit. Then we have our Google logo. Then we can click on this and delete. So if you watch this class, if you are in this class, congratulations. You just knew how to what? How to make your first design in Corel Draw. So to view the beauty of this, right click on your screen, then click on full screen preview. You can see we have our Google logo design. It's looking amazing, right? Even without adding other things. Now, this is the foundation for graphics. You need to know how to work with your tools, when to use them, and how to use them. So I will entertain questions now so that the class doesn't go too long. I intended this class for just 30 minutes, okay, so that class doesn't go too long. Now I'm going to be this class is recorded and is going to be on YouTube shortly, so you are free. When I will share the link, I'll drop my phone number now, so for those that are new, you can easily what chat me up on WhatsApp. Are we getting it now? You can chat me up on WhatsApp and let me know your views. So I'm going to unmute everybody now. So I need us to ask questions, please. Alfred Terry
Gala.
Omo, Techno Camos
Chichi.
12, HP iPad, Esther, all of us.
Hmm? Oh,
So my number will be dropped, so questions can be asked. I just need you to what take your time, go through everything I've just done, do it yourself. If you have any question, ask me. I'll be dropping my number. Okay. So my number is this 07068473984. You can chat me up any day, anytime on WhatsApp. So thank you all. Is there any question from any participants?